Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now you have to locate and click on System, and here you will find date and time. Just click on it. And you have two options. You can use automatic date and time, or you can switch it off by tapping on this icon, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also use network provided time zone, but you can switch it off as well and then select it by yourself. So let me pick the region at first, and then time zone if available. Also you can change the format of your clock, so you can switch off local default and then use 24-hour format clock or 12-hour format clock. It's up to you. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers and then everything will be set up automatically. So that would be all. This is how you can change date and time on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.